This is Tarja Mäkinen, and I started giving presentations about this reading and copying my brain activity. I don't know how many people still thinking I'm totally crazy, but I don't care about it because that is reality. And I will tell about my view and experiences, how it gets started. There's a two-way connection, and that incoming depends who has the device, who reads. Outcoming can be everything related, what you see, hear, smell, feel, read, saying, singing, and what is your reaction for it and how you handle it, based on your opinions, experience, and knowledge. And how your thoughts can be used and how they are used. And what proofs and examples I have about it. It's really happening. I have many. And how this information changes my reputation, how it has changed, how it has affected your personal life, relationships, finances, up to public beliefs that the misleading information. When your secrets are stolen to people who are using against you, and they're using it politically, internationally, and inside the country. I have a lot to tell about it. They are my views, my experiences, being a target, this kind of activity, how it has had effect to my health and family relationships, because most people thinking I'm just totally crazy. They don't even realize how that kind of situation can change. That is my experience, that is my life, and I have rights to tell about it.